Replacing the battery in your VW Arteon key fob is a simple DIY task that can restore functionality if it's not working or showing a low battery warning. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, available online or at auto parts stores, and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button to unlock and release the latch. If the case is stuck, a common issue, gently pry it open with your tool. Take care not to damage the internal circuit board. Once open, remove the old CR232 battery from inside the fob. Insert the new CR232 battery with the positive side up, matching the marking inside the fob. Finally, snap the case shut firmly, ensuring the rubber gasket seals properly to prevent moisture from entering. Your VW Arteon key fob should now function correctly after this replacement. If your remote still isn't working after a battery replacement, a few things could be wrong. Ensure the battery is correctly oriented with positive side up. If the case was difficult to open, check for corrosion or misalignment, which can prevent proper closure and contact. Extreme temperatures, like Midwest winters, can accelerate battery failure. If problems persist, it might be a transmitter fault requiring professional reprogramming at a VW dealership, typically costing $50 to $100. Automotive experts recommend replacing the battery every 12 to 18 months proactively. Forcing open a stuck case can void warranties and lead to expensive repairs. VW's shift towards digital keys via smartphone apps in newer models might phase out traditional key fobs by 2030. If you live in a cold weather region, your key fob battery may drain quicker than normal.